Do we really need laptop for editing YouTube videos? I say no. Do we need a high costly phone for YouTube? For that also I say no. Then what we need for YouTube? Content. Of course content is a major role, but for running a YouTube channel we need some equipments. So today in this video I'm gonna say about some equipments that are in a budget, not over budget, and I will also say that why we need it and what is the purpose of it too. So let's get into the video. The first thing we need to have is a phone, because we need to capture every single video in this phone only. And if you ask me that, oh sister, we don't have any storage and we don't have picture quality, then what we have to do? Compulsory we have to invest on another phone. You're saying that no need to invest. Of course no need to invest, because if your problem is picture quality, you can edit it in your editing process, you can add filters, or you can do anything. If your problem is storage problem, buy a memory card, simple, that's it. You no need to invest on a phone. If you are earning through YouTube, then you can have the thought that okay, we need a phone. But if you are wantedly investing on a phone for the purpose of YouTube, then I say no. If your phone is like in a very bad condition, of course you need to buy a phone, because you can't manage with that stucking phone, of course. And the second thing we need to have is editing skills. Yes, it's not a gadget or nothing, it's in our hands. Yes, we need editing skills at least in a beginner level, because without knowing how to edit a thumbnail, without knowing how to edit our video, we can't survive in YouTube at all. So at least you need to have a beginner skills, because it will be increasing day by day if you are editing daily in a daily purpose. So this is second one. So the third equipment we need is a tripod. Yes, this tripod is from Potron company, and this costed me around 560 rupees, but in Flipkart it is around 759 rupees at present. And talking about this tripod, like what I buy, it is really good. I bought it around first lockdown, in the time of first lockdown, yes. And if you ask me why we need tripod, see, some videos are necessarily important to have a tripod. And now itself I am talking to you and my phone is not at all shaking, right? So I placed my phone in a other tripod, so it is really helpful for me to at least talk. Okay. And how to use tripod and what is tripod and these type of questions, if you ask, I will say it in another video. But simply we have to place our phone over here, okay, and this is called as mount. So we should easily place our phone like this, and okay, like this, and we need to record our videos, that's it. And I'll show you that product what I bought. So you no need to invest on a higher kind of tripod. It's okay if you have a limited budget on tripod, but make sure that it is at least stable, because your phone may fall down if you buy a normal kind of product like a tripod. I'm experienced with it. I thought that okay, 200 rupees is my budget, okay, chill, we'll buy, I thought, and I bought 200 rupees of tripod. At least it did not stay with me for a 1 day also. So we need to maintain at least a limit of 500, that kind of thing. So see, only one left it seems. So this tripod have a very big demand. At that time the rating was 4.8, but it is 4.5 present at present, and I just love it. Yeah, So phone is done and tripod is done. Next we need a proper voice quality. For that we need a mic. So yes, of course, even now also I'm using a mic. So my mic is over here. Okay, and this is not wireless, this is wired only. So okay, so this is wired one, and this rate is around 210 rupees, I guess. When I bought it, it is 210 rupees. I bought it around 1 month ago. I liked it, but I can't say that it is excellent now, because I bought it around 1 month ago, that's it. So I can't say 100% go for it, but if you want to invest around 200 rupees, you can of course go with it. Rating is also very good and perfect. So I tried to invest on it, and of course I invested on it. And you noticed voice quality in my videos, I guess, like in my previous videos you would see some voice is higher, some voice is lower, so you can find that kind of distraction. But nowadays my videos are like okay quality. This is not a high quality mic, like noise if you ask for a noise cancellation, I would say that it is not perfect, but okay, it is working good. So equipments are done, and I wanted to say about other equipment, that is ring light. Okay, so not like everyone need a ring light. Okay, so this is not a important one to have with you, but if you are a makeup artist, if you are running a YouTube channel based on makeup, or if you don't have enough light in your house, so in that case you need a ring light, or else you don't need a ring light, if you ask me. But in I said right, in some of the cases we really need a ring light. So I made a video on this, you can go and check it out. I'm not explaining completely about it, and in simple words, I just love this ring light. Okay, but for a ring light we need to have a other tripod, of course, because with one tripod we can't maintain phone and a ring light. Like it is not healthy manner to maintain both in a single tripod, because our phone may fall down. If we have a like a super quality of tripod, then you can invest on only one tripod, it's okay. But our tripod is like below 1000 rupees, so it would not be that sturdy as we think. Okay.